All right, so we're back to try number 2. This one we got our jackets on because it's much colder. Make it up to the top of the dunes, enjoy a good look out, and then come on back and get back to work. It's normal Tuesday. Are you ready to go hiking? Super rare moment. We're out here alone. Nobody is out here. Oh, I lied. Spoke too soon. I see one person way up there. So 2 people. The water's dried up. No more water. It's been cold past couple days, so it's starting to stick to the top of the mountain. That's what all that white cap up there is what was down here. So now it's no longer down here. You happy, buddy? Yeah. Good boy. Welcome to the dunes. Way better.